Hello po mga kababayan, this is Pinay Pie Nori Pie, walang boses masyado dahil nagka-sore throat. Today I'm gonna make some pork giniling. In a pan, saute lang po yung usual nating garlic, onions, and tomatoes. Hanggang maging translucent po, and then you add your pork giniling. Hindi ko na po na-videohan, nakalimutan po. And then, sa isang pan ulit, mag-pan fry lang po tayo ng ating potatoes, halfly cook. And then, add it all together sa giniling. Yan po, meron na po siyang carrots, green peas, raisin, and I added some liquid seasoning, which is the soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce, a little bit of sugar, liquid seasoning na pampalasa, and then black and pepper and bay leaves. Masarap po siya. Thank you for watching. Till